Officially, we were getting a minute of silence for João Gilberto, who died on Saturday, aged 88. Father of Bossa Nova. Away we go then, Brazil. They have come back strongly as Cueva lines this one up, and Hansen deciding to let it go. So first chance then for Peru. One thing is certain, they will have to take whatever chances they get. Guerrero. Well, mixed reception because they're tricked himself out of trouble. No help from a good competition. Scoop that one though. Looking for Firmino. Facing Trauco. Good looking delivery chance for Brazil, and they put that one away. Everton sneaking in on the far side. First real chance on goal, and Brazil have pounced and are in front in the Estadio Maracanã. He's onside, no doubt about that. Brazil looking for a quick second. Gabriel Jesus took it down well, causing problems for... And now there are bodies forward in yellow shirts. Flick forward, not far off target by Coutinho. Brazil have been so deadly when they get those half chances. So Firmino to Coutinho, not far off target at all. Murillo. Was ahead of him. Headed well over. Nice delivery. Coutinho. To pick out the run of Artur. Foul by Gabriel Jesus. And we're going to get our first yellow card. Shake of the head from the Man City man. Clattered into, rounded well there to keep possession. Dani Alves, away from Trauco, goes down on the edge of the area, tapping that ball around the Maracanã, looking for an opening like this one for Firmino. Alexandro with the ball inside the area. Firmino's had a hand in 5. Did well initially. Murillo. Guerrero went down looking for something from the official, not given. See in the Maracanã. Flores, nice touch from him. Very, very good challenge, and the referee, well, in the Maracanã, has pointed to the spot. Well, they haven't put it away yet, but hope for Peru. It was that Thiago Silva who came in. He was on the ground though. And that was a very, very quick review. He will give us the old TV signal. He steps forward and sends Alisson the wrong way. Brazil are beaten for once. And Guerreiro has put his side back in this final here in the Maracanã. Guerreiro kept his cool. He knows his stadium so well. Former Flamengo man. And the Peru fans. And Gabi Jesus steers that ball home. And Brazil are back in front. Cool finish. And suddenly the Maracanã has come back to life. And Gabi Jesus, who went for so long without finding the back of the net for Brazil, amongst the goals in this tournament. Fart managed John Cottrell. Brazil then to get the second half underway, leading him when his side went in after conceding that second goal. Hit low, Trauco away. Alexandro to swing it in. Decent clip. Swings it forward. And has improved so much from his Gremio days. This is Coutinho to dink it forward and not far off target. To dink this one forward. Nodded forward and across the area. Firmino this time failing to pick out a yellow shirt, but terrific run from Felipe Coutinho. Very good stop from Trauco. Didn't know where the ball was in the end. And Firmino. Coutinho couldn't do anything with it. Now Cueva. Good defending it again from Alexandro's delivery in the header. Coutinho went for the shot. No two. Away from one. Away from two. Cueva still going inside the area. Pulls it forward. Came off the back heel of Trauco. Coutinho. Curling ball inside the air. Thiago Silva. Either side. And a card here now. Is that for Gabi Jesus? It is. It's going to be a red for him. He can't believe it. Went up for the challenge. Now Cueva. And hit by Trauco. That's harsh. That is very harsh. Well, a tearful Gabi Jesus. Firmino making Rio. Alisson. The crowd wanting Artur to shoot. Dani Alves. They stayed down. Cueva to dink it into the area. Alexander now very defensive. Everton. Vincula, I think this time on a freebie. A lot of those will be workable, quite a few of them. Good chance to kill this one off. Here's Charlison, drills it in! Strips off the shirt because he knows Brazil are going to take this Copa America. 10-man Brazil, surely heading for glory. Booking for Richarlison. I've got a feeling he's not in the slightest worried about that. The Copa America, though, will be staying in Brazil. They will be champions.